Ace your exam like a pro. In this playlist, we are sharing with you excellent questions based on derivatives, Unit 2, where you are going to learn applications. Here is a brilliant question. The graph of f of x equals to ax plus b over x minus 1 times x minus 4 has a horizontal tangent line at 2 minus 1. Find a and b. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Absolutely free for last 15 years, a learning platform for both of us. Keep sharing and enjoy this journey of learning. Now, this very important test question on calculus derivatives will now be discussed at length. So, we are given the graph of a function. Let's write down the function itself, which is f of x equals to ax plus b over x minus 1 times x minus 4. We need to find the value of a and b, two unknowns. So that means we are looking for two equations. Since we know that the point 2 minus 1 lies on the curve, one equation we can get with the point, and the other one, well, the condition, horizontal tangent at this particular point, means the derivative of this particular function at 2 should be equal to 0. So we have two equations to work with. So now let's get our equations using the point, which is, let's say P is the point which coordinates are 2 minus 1. So f of x is minus 1 when x is equal to 2. So we'll put 2 for x. And that gives us 2 minus 1 times 2 minus 4 in the denominator. So we get minus 1 equals to 2a plus b over 1 time minus 2. So we can cross multiply. Minus 2 times minus 1 becomes plus 2 equals to 2a plus b. So we have a relation here between a and b, that is twice a plus b is equal to 2. This is from the point on the curve. Now we have the second condition, which is horizontal tangent at this point. So let's find the derivative of this particular function. So to find the derivative, uh, f prime of x will be equal to derivative of ax plus b. We are using the quotient rule, is a times x minus 1 times x minus 4 minus ax plus b times the derivative of denominator, where we'll use the product rule. You could actually expand this and then get a simpler equation also, but you could use the product rule. So derivative of x minus 1 is 1 times x minus 4, and then we get minus plus of derivative of the second function times x minus 1, right? So plus derivative of the first function, which is x minus 1, correct? So that's what we get. Denominator is square of all this times x minus 4 whole square, means let me square like this. You get the whole idea. Since we are given a point, there's no need to expand, simplify. So let's substitute the value 2 for x. So what do you get? You get a times 2 minus 1 times 2 minus 4 minus 2a plus b times 2 minus 4 plus 2 minus 1. Makes sense? Divided by Substituting 2 will give us 2 minus 1 whole square times 2 minus 4 whole square. Correct. Now this derivative is 0. So 0 equals 2. So forget about the denominator. The numerator should be 0, right? So let's multiply. So a times 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. So we get minus 2a minus. So here we have 2a plus b times 2 minus 1 plus 2 minus 4, right? So we get 4 minus 4 minus 1, which is minus 1 for us, correct? So which is minus 1. So let's open this bracket to find our equation. So minus 2a minus 2a, and this minus makes it plus. And we get the value of b here, which is plus b. So minus 2a plus 2a is 0, so b equals to 0. Now, if b equals to 0, we can substitute in our first equation. B equals to 0, find the value of a, right? So let's do that. We'll squeeze it in this particular page itself. So we get 2 equals to 2a, we write plus b, which is 0, right? So dividing, we get from here a equals to 2 divided by 2, which is 1. So we got both the values. Find the values of a and b. So a is 1 and b is equal to 0, right? So for this condition, we got a equals to 1 and b equals to 0. Is that clear to you? That is how we are going to solve this particular problem. So a point where we have a horizontal tangent actually gives us two equations. One, substitute the point in the function itself to get first relation. Second, find the derivative and then substitute the point. That gives you the second condition. Two variables, two equations, you can easily find by elimination or substitution the result. So I hope the whole step is absolutely clear to you. Feel free to write your comments, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your valuable time and all the best.